I'm Dr. Nidhi Agarwal and I welcome all my viewers to this session where I'm going to talk about holistic living and mental well-being. Thank you Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance to start this great and a much needed initiative that is fitness from home with a beautiful tagline. जब सोच पे हो लॉकडाउन तो लाइफ गोल्स पे भी क्यों लॉकडाउन हो. Let's begin this session, and if any of you have any queries, please post in the comment section. So let me wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that viewers can join, and then we shall start the session. The way you think, the way you behave, the way you eat influences your life. And here enters the word holistic living, holistic lifestyle, जो कि हम बहुत बार आजकल सुनते रहते हैं. लाइफस्टाइल, मेंटल हेल्थ, ये सब चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. येस, इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट कैसे उसको हमें ठीक रखना चाहिए और कैसे हम उसको इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, दैट वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग टुडे. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द कॉजेज फॉर अ अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल, विच आई थिंक हम सबको पता है. सबसे पहला टॉपिक है दैट इज ईटिंग रॉन्ग काइंड ऑफ फूड. हम सब जब गलत खाना खाते हैं, सो दैट्स हाउ हमारे को पूरा लाइफस्टाइल हमारा खराब हो जाता है, हमारा बॉडी रिएक्ट करता है, हमारा माइंड रिएक्ट करता है, एंड दैट्स वेयर द टर्म्स ऑफ फूड कम्स. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी पर्टिकुलर what kind of food you are eating. Then lack of exercise. Exercise. Sometimes many of my patients say, Doctor, time ही कहाँ है exercise करने के लिए. So I agree, but you have to give some priority to your health as well. आपकी body है, you have to take care. After all, stress, too much of it. Everybody and everything gives you stress. That is quite common with everyone. I'm not saying कि I am completely out of stress. Even मुझे भी stress होता है. But आप लोगों को जो stress होता है, उसके लिए we have to discuss today कि हम उसे manage कैसे कर सकते हैं. So we keep on hearing lot many diets these days which people consider healthy, but I am stressing more on a lifestyle. So lifestyle जो आप हमेशा follow कर सको. These days people join fitness plans with a target of losing weight, gaining muscle mass, and forget that what are you going to do once you stop this regime. आप क्या करोगे? आपने 3 months में 10 kg, 15 kg, 20 kg lose किया, muscles building किया, but उसके बाद क्या? After that again back to the same square one? Same scenario of being unfit? No. That's what I want you to understand, my friends, that you have to be consistent with your practice. अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे अपनी डाइट और अपनी एक्सरसाइज का केयर नहीं करोगे, आपका लाइफस्टाइल चेंज नहीं करोगे, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका माइंडसेट चेंज ऐसे ही अनस्टेबल रहेगा एंड यू विल बी अ बिग टाइम सफरर. तो आई डोंट वांट कि आप सब लोग सफर करो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि डोंट चैलेंज योरसेल्फ विद दीज प्लान्स, but I request you all to maintain a healthy lifestyle for a longer term. Shortcuts never pay. We all know that. So if you want to have a shortcut just to lose weight faster, I would request please maintain that healthy lifestyle with whatever dietitian or nutritionist or fitness expert you have started. So that's how you have to be consistent with your progress. Okay, so here I am giving you very simple tips with which definitely you can manage upon your healthy lifestyle. The first number comes, chew your food 32 times. 32 times. You have to chew one single food. आप अगर खाना खाते हो तो एक रोटी का बाइट आपको 32 times chew करना है. Am I mad or what? No. It's something like that makes you eat less and eat proportionate, and it helps you to target your metabolism too. So it's a request to all of you कि please आप अपना खाना 32 times chew करके खाइए without any gadget. कोई भी गैजेट मत रखिए. जनरली हम आजकल टीवी के सामने बैठ के खाते हैं या मोबाइल पे बैठ के खाते हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स देखता है कोई, अमेजॉन देखता है. सो प्लीज स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. जब आप खाना खाओ तो शांति से खाओ. हम सब ने सुना है भजन और भोजन शांति से. सो प्लीज मेंटेन दैट. बिकॉज कैसा होता है कि जब हम खाने को फटाफट खाते हैं तो हमारा ब्रेन जो है वो थोड़ी टाइम के लिए एक्टिवेट रहता है एंड सडनली डीएक्टिवेट हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से कई बार आई हैव सीन इन माय पेशेंट्स कि वो बोलते हैं खाना खाने के बाद बहुत नींद आती है. सो दैट हैपन्स बिकॉज हमने खाने पे तो कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया ही नहीं, हमारा माइंड तो कहीं और था. So that's why it's a request to all of you कि please chew your food 32 times. And also it's an Indian tradition कि हम जमीन पे बैठ के जैसे क्रॉस लेग बैठ के खाना खाते थे पहले, हमें आज भी वैसे ही खाना चाहिए अगर हमारे को थोड़ा भी अपना फिटनेस मेंटेन करना है. क्यों? क्योंकि जब हम क्रॉस लेग बैठते हैं तो हमारे न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स हमारे ब्रेन के जो होते हैं वो एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं एंड वो हमें हमारा जो हंगर सेंटर है, हमारा जो एपेटाइट सेंटर है, उसको टारगेट करते हैं. तो हमें भूख कम लगती है, हम खाने को अच्छे से पचा पाते हैं, डाइजेशन हमारा अच्छा होता है, एक्सक्रीशन हमारा अच्छा होता है. सो दैट्स हाउ हमारे को ये दोनों चीजें फॉलो करनी है. उसके अलावा आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू ड्रिंक वाटर. हम जितना पानी पीते हैं इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर यू. ड्रिंक मोर वाटर. वी ऑलवेज कीप लिसनिंग, ऐसा हम सबसे सुनते हैं, बट 1 glass water every hour, no big deal I think. So please try to drink 1 glass of water every hour to hydrate your body and make your brain work much more faster than whatever it is working at right now present. Okay? So it's a request to all of you to drink more and more water. If you have any queries, I'll be answering at the end of the session, and if in case I will feel that it is in connection with the topic, I will answer it right away. So please post your queries in the comment section. Okay, the third thing is eat on time. खाना हमेशा टाइम पे खाना चाहिए. दैट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. वाई? क्योंकि अगर हम खाने की टाइमिंग्स फिक्स रखते हैं तो हमारा जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है वो अपने आप मेटाबॉलिज्म को फास्ट करता है और एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे हमें भूख लगती है. बट अगर हम वही डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को कभी हम सुबह 9 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, कभी हम 11 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, इस टाइप से अगर हम पैटर्न चेंज करते रहते हैं, देन वी आर मोर प्रोन फॉर एनी लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर. लाइक आपने सुना होगा डायबिटीज, थायराइड, ब्लड प्रेशर, ओबेसिटी. ये सारी चीजें इसीलिए होती हैं बिकॉज हम अपना लाइफस्टाइल मेंटेन ही नहीं कर पाते हैं. वी ऑलवेज हैव एन एक्सक्यूज कि डॉक्टर हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं है. सो प्लीज अपने लिए टाइम निकालो और हर चीज टाइम पे करना सीखो. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि आपका जो बॉडी है, योर बॉडी ऑलवेज स्पीक्स टू यू. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो कब कैसे आपको जवाब देती है. लाइक एज आई मेंशन कि ईट ऑन टाइम, I always also tell my patients that you have to eat a limited portion. Portion control बहुत ही important होता है हमारी fitness के लिए. Like कोई लोग आजकल intermittent fasting करते हैं. So once they eat a full meal, it is like दाल, रोटी, चावल, सब्जी, everything together. The whole point of intermittent fasting is कि आपको जब वो break करना है, it has to be a balanced meal but with a limited portion. So you have to take care of that thing in consideration कि आप हमेशा limited portions खाइए. जितना आपके बॉडी को रिक्वायर्ड है उससे थोड़ा कम, जितनी आपको भूख लगती है उससे थोड़ा सा कम. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम अच्छा रहेगा. सो प्लीज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर पोर्शन कंट्रोल इज द की टू गुड हेल्थ. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज से नो टू प्रोसेस्ड फूड. प्रोसेस्ड फूड हम सब लोग सुनते हैं, जंक मत खाओ, जंक मत खाओ. I am telling you, avoid eating anything which has extra salt, extra sugar, extra oil. Say no to junk. Once in a while, chalta hai na, many times my patients say that. My answer is no. Why do you want to play with your body? First tell me that. What if every week your body shows some skin eruption, some fever, some cold, some cough, some throat pain? Kya wo chalega? Nahi na. So same way, please protect your body from suffering and live a healthy life. Okay, Rahul, you have a query. Do we drink in middle of the dinner or after the dinner? No, Rahul, water has to be taken either half an hour before meals or half an hour after meals. You can't drink water during the course of food. So please avoid that. Okay? Next comes, which is very, very important, which I keep on hearing from 90% of my patients, that is, stop counting your food in terms of calories or macronutrients. Like, आज मैंने इतने proteins खाए, आज मैंने इतना fats खाया, इतने carbs खाए. No, please just eat a wholesome homemade meal. घर का खाना खाओ आप सब लोग, जो कि filled with positive emotions है, because आपकी wife ने बनाया है, आपकी mom ने बनाया है. So it is with good emotions, which is an Indian tradition, and please, it will help you to live a peaceful life. So try doing that. It will help you a lot. Because हम जितना घर का खाना खाते हैं, you chew your food properly, you drink enough of water, you live a healthy lifestyle. So it's a request to all of you, please maintain your meal timings, drink enough of water, and concentrate on your system. It reacts and it answers. Okay, Chandrakant, you have a question. Ma'am, I have no fixed time to eat because of job, what I do. Chandrakant, you have to try. It's just an excuse, as I told you just now, that you have to maintain yourself, that you have to keep thinking about which time makes you perfect, comfortable. So try doing that. That will help you a lot. Because see, it is something like if you won't fix up your time, by the end of, let's say, 5 years down the lane, you might become a patient of thyroid, diabetes, blood pressure, or whatever is running in your family. And then we blame the hereditary history, which is not good. Okay, so now coming to the next thing, that is exercise. Exercise. We all do keep on saying, we keep on doing some or the other exercise. Like these days, everybody's running in a rat race. Let me join gym, let me join yoga, let me join Zumba. No, please try to understand your body, how your body is reacting, what your body is telling to you. Like, for example, I have few patients who actually want to tone down their muscles, who actually want to take care of their muscle mass, their fat percentage. In that case, I would actually suggest to opt for a power yoga, opt for a gym trainer. Otherwise, in general, on a regular basis, if you want to ask me, like many of females ask me, so it's like normal yoga and meditation also helps you a lot. It's not about weight loss always. It's about the body movement. It's about how your body oxygen supply matters. So you have to work upon everything simultaneously. So always prefer to individualize your exercise regime also. It's not necessary if आपका कोई friend जो है वो 1.5 hour gym में exercise कर रहा है तो आपको भी उतने ही time exercise करना है. It's not comfortable. Sometimes हमारे joints give up करने लग जाते हैं, which is very very bad for you. जिसकी वजह से wear and tear होता है, and many ortho friends of mine keep telling that उनके पास में ऐसे ऐसे patients आ रहे हैं just because they have cervical spondylitis, because उन्होंने योगा में ऐसा कुछ किया. So don't do all that. Okay, Isha has one question. Ma'am, what is the ideal portion of food we can take according to body requirement? Isha, it depends on your BMI. It depends on your height and weight ratio. So the ideal portion of food generally is like whatever your appetite is, a little lesser than that. Means according to a holistic physician, I will tell you, जितनी भूख है, अगर आपको 2 रोटी की भूख है, आप 1.5 चपाती खाओ. अगर आपको 1 रोटी की भूख है, आप half चपाती खाओ. So उस तरीके से you will feel better. Okay? So now going ahead with the topic, that is mental health. We all say mental health is very, very important. The need of the hour, isn't it? Yes. Many of you are facing relationship issues, which I keep on hearing these days. Because of the lockdown phase, हमारे घर में लड़ाई हो रही है, हमारे husband wife में नहीं बन रहा है, या बच्चों के साथ में लड़ाई हो रही है. So I'm telling you a very simple mind technique, which in our language it is called as break technique. अगर कोई भी आर्ग्यूमेंट होता है आप लोगों के बीच में, यू जस्ट मूव आउट फ्रॉम दैट स्पेस. इमीडिएटली आप उस जगह को छोड़ के चले जाइए, दूसरे रूम में चले जाइए या दूसरे केबिन में चले जाइए, जैसे भी आपको कंफर्टेबल लगता है, बट लीव दैट स्पेस इमीडिएटली, एटलीस्ट फॉर 10 मिनट्स इनिशियली. 10 मिनट के बाद में आप वापस आइए. अगर आपको लगता है कि थिंग्स आर सेटलिंग डाउन, प्लीज टॉक टू दैट पर्सन. बट अगर 10 मिनट के बाद में भी आपको लगता है कि the things are quite heated again, so give a break of half an hour. Then again आधे घंटे बाद में फिर से बात करने की कोशिश करिए. ऐसे धीरे धीरे ब्रेक्स का टाइम आप बढ़ा सकते हो. अगर आपको लगता है कि सामने वाला समझने को तैयार नहीं है, तो ऐसा आप 24 आवर्स तक कंटिन्यूसली कर सकते हो. 24 घंटे बाद इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट टू प्लीज सिट एंड डिस्कस अबाउट योर प्रॉब्लम. This break technique always help you in solving out your relationship issues. So please consider it and try it out. Okay, so I got one question like, yeah, mental problems. See, every mental problem is not making you कि आप एक psychiatric patient हो. सब लोगों की life में ups and downs आते हैं. So you have to consider कि mental health सबके लिए important है. आज मैं जो बात कर रही हूँ, that is like a generalized mental health. I'm not specifically talking about patients. Okay? So please try to understand कि जो basic चीजें हम throughout the day life में हम face करते हैं, वो चीजों को हम कैसे रिप्लाई कर सकते हैं, हम कैसे टैकल कर सकते हैं. दूसरी चीज आती है गुस्सा. एंगर मैनेजमेंट. एज वी से, एंगर मैनेजमेंट इज समथिंग वेरी सिंपल. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू आर राइट और यू आर रॉन्ग, बट योर एंगर शुडंट हार्म यू. आपके गुस्से की वजह से आपको कोई नुकसान नहीं होना चाहिए, नीदर फिजिकली नॉर मेंटली. एक सिंपल सी टेक्निक है विच आई थिंक मेनी ऑफ यू मस्ट बी नोइंग, दैट इज स्टार्ट काउंटिंग इन द रिवर्स नंबर, लाइक 100, 99, 98, 97. और अगर किसी को गुस्सा बहुत ज्यादा आता है, so very simple thing, 100 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7, keep on doing till you get 0. So that's how the basic idea is कि हम अपने ब्रेन के न्यूरॉन्स को डाइवर्ट करते हैं अटेंशन, और हमारा फोकस इमिडिएटली शिफ्ट हो जाता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे. सो इट हेल्प्स अस अ लॉट इन रिड्यूसिंग द एंगर पैंग. Okay, then third comes depression. Okay, so before starting depression, Joy has asked me a question. Fasting does helps in immunity, Joy. See, sometimes it all depends for how many hours you fast and also how weak is your immune system. So I will come to that point in the later question answers. And Pooja has asked me about the tips for open pores. Pooja, I'll be answering that in a while once I finish off with this section. Okay. Okay, so next thing which we keep on hearing is depression. Many of you claim to be depressed because of Google Baba before you reach any psychiatrist or any counselor. Why? We all face low moments, isn't it? हम सब कभी न कभी दिन भर में लो फील करते हैं. किसी को अपने पेरेंट्स की याद आती है, किसी का काम में मन नहीं लगता है. So we can't claim it as depression, right? Depression is a very advanced term for a medical thing. So I would suggest that instead of considering yourself to be a depressed patient, you need to understand and analyze yourself. Please try to think a simple technique which pep up your happy hormones, dopamine and serotonin. So let's go for a walk, do some dance, run, jog, but sweat it out. Sweating is one of the basic trick which helps you adrenaline rush and it change our mood immediately. So always whenever you feel low, whenever you feel depressed, please keep it in mind that you have to just go out and just do jogging, running, walking, whatever you can, just sweat it out. Okay? Second thing is laughter therapy. Many of us keep on sitting on Netflix and Amazon and keep watching a lot of series and all. I would suggest opt for a comedy series. आप YouTube पे comedy videos देखो, कोई laughter jokes देखो, some laughter shows देखो, at least pep up your mood at that particular moment when you are feeling low. So you have to consider कि आपकी लाइफ में आपको क्या चाहिए उस particular moment पे जब आप low feel कर रहे हैं. कोई मुझे बोलेगा कि डॉक हम सिर्फ कॉफी पी के हमें अच्छा लगता है. I agree, but coffee and all is something like it's a stimulant. It's always better to sweat out when you're feeling low. So please go out and do something for yourself. Okay, if you're feeling low, like few people say, doc, we have like lack of confidence, so we want to work upon ourselves, but we can't. So evolve your being. आज भगवान ने जिंदगी दी है तो उसको अच्छा बनाना हमारे हाथ में है, राइट? तो खुद को बदलो, अपने नजरिए को बदलो. ट्राई स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. शीशे के सामने खड़े होके आप सबको अपने बारे में अच्छी अच्छी बातें करनी है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज मिरर टॉक, which works magically to boost the confidence and taking you from that low phase immediately. So please try that. Even I keep trying that mirror talk. So please do that every day with yourself. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate whatever you feel that you are lacking. So do that. Okay? Besides that, I always prefer all my patients to write a gratitude journal. Gratitude journal means कुछ तो अच्छा हुआ होगा आपके दिन भर में. So try writing it down. Try thinking, say thank you for that, whatever has happened. Like for example, आज मुझे छोले भटूरे खाने को मिले. So I'm thanking my mother to make that for me so that it pepped up my emotion, right? So that's how you should be thankful for every single thing. Every little thing helps us a lot in keeping ourselves fit and healthy. Maintain a planner, a food planner, or exercise planner, a work planner, so that we are systematic, we are organized. बिकॉज मेंटली काम वो लोग होते हैं जो कि उनका सब कुछ सिस्टमैटिक होता है. अगर आप थोड़े से भी अनसिस्टमैटिक हो गए, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग लो. सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. कुछ लोग लो हो जाते हैं, कुछ लोग हाइपर हो जाते हैं, रेस्टलेस हो जाते हैं, कुछ चीजें इधर उधर फेंकने लगते हैं. सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. जस्ट ट्राई टू मेंटेन योर स्केड्यूल, ट्राई टू मेंटेन योर टाइमिंग्स, ट्राई टू मेंटेन एंड प्लान आउट बिफोर हैंड. सो डू दैट. ओके. So now coming back to Joy's topic, that is helps in immunity. Fasting does help you in immunity, but it all depends. See, fasting is something, it's a very basic thing which we Indians are doing since long. Joy, so fasting आप किस तरीके से कर रहे हो वो बहुत important है. किसी किसी को 12 आवर्स फास्टिंग, लाइक जनरली आई थिंक वी ऑल डू 12 आवर्स फास्टिंग. हम सब लोगों का डिनर रात को 8 बजे हो जाता है और नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock से पहले हम में से कोई भी ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करता है. सो 12 आवर्स फास्टिंग सबका होता है. सो आई वुड एक्चुअली प्रेफर, अगर आप इम्यूनिटी की बात करते हो, सो इम्यूनिटी हैज वाइड एस्पेक्ट. अगर आप 14 आवर्स 16 आवर्स का फास्टिंग करते हो, इट डेफिनेटली हेल्प्स अस टू बूस्ट आवर इम्यूनिटी, our white blood cells and platelet count. But it's a suggestion. If in case you are feeling weak, if you have low blood pressure, if you're a thyroid patient, please do consult with your doctor before trying any fasting technique, because it's not safe also. Okay, so Pooja has asked me about a skin complaint, that is about open pores. Pooja, open pores, yes, डेफिनेटली ओपन पोर्स के लिए बहुत सिंपल सी रेमेडी है, दैट इज एलोवेरा का प्लांट. अगर आपके घर में है, आप उसके आइस क्यूब्स बना सकते हो एंड कीप डैबिंग ऑन योर फेस सो दैट इट क्लोज डाउन योर पोर्स. दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. सेकंड थिंग इज, इफ द पोर्स आर क्वाइट बिग, just take neem powder and take chandan powder and make a paste out of it and dab on your face. Keep it hardly for 5 to 7 minutes and wash it. उससे आपके स्किन के पोर्स टाइटन अप हो जाते हैं. एंड डू दैट. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज, टी ट्री ऑयल मिलता है मार्केट में, आप टी ट्री ऑयल यूज कर सकते हो. दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू इन रिड्यूसिंग योर पोर्स बिग टाइम. Okay, if anybody you have any queries, please you can mention me, okay, so that I can answer you back. Okay, so now I'm requesting all of you to mention me that which is your favorite color. Fast, whosoever is there in the session, please type which is your favorite color. White, red, yellow, pink, orange, green, any color which you write. Let me answer that accordingly. Okay, so one has mentioned red color. See, red color people, orange color, okay. Green color, fine. Okay, yellow color. So many of you are mentioning all the colors. So let me tell you why I have asked you this query. Because color therapy works a lot in keeping our mind calm. Anybody of you who has anger issues, try to drink water kept in blue bottle, blue color glass bottle. If you keep water in that, it helps you to calm down your emotions. If anybody of you have liver issues, if anybody of you have gastric issues, try to drink water from yellow, red or orange color bottles. It will help you to maintain your liver issues. If anybody of you have green why? If anybody of you have heart issues, if anybody of you have skin and hair issues, try using water drinking from green color bottle. Okay, so somebody has mentioned purple color. Okay, so I'm talking about violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and white of course, and black too. So here I am mentioning all the organs related colors. The color of your skin, like brown color, so it falls into black and white. You can definitely have black, white, and green color water bottle colors water, so that it helps you to boost your skin metabolism. Okay. Okay, one more thing I would like all of you to answer in the comment section. Like, for how many hours do you sleep every day? 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. Many of you keep on asking me how many hours of sleep is important for us. So it's like few of you sleep only for 4 hours because you were busy watching Netflix and Amazon. Few of you keep on saying that you sleep for 7 hours, 8 hours, and few sleep for 10 hours also. So I would keep this thing as a problem area, because the sleep needs to be sound. Whether it's a 4-hour sleep, whether it's a 10-hour sleep, it doesn't matter. The point here is how much sound sleep you had. That helps you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. That helps you to boost your metabolism. So whenever you sleep in a peaceful manner. Sleep at a nice place, in a calm place, and just lie down on the bed and just put away all your gadgets. It's a very simple trick. Stay away from your gadgets 1 hour before you sleep. It helps you to calm you down. So please try that. See, everything at the end depends on your mindset. If your mindset is positive, your life automatically becomes positive. If you keep on thinking every problem, then automatically everything becomes a big problem for you. At the end of the day, small issues becomes big problematic area for you. So it's a request to all of you, don't consider everything as a big problem. Okay, so now I have a query like, okay, Dhananjay wants to ask me like, what is the best thing for hair? Okay, for hair follicles to regenerate, I would suggest actually to apply onion juice. Just mix some curry leaves powder and neem leaves powder because in rainy season we do get dandruff issues. So you can just mix all these things and make a paste out of it and just help yourself. Keep it hardly for 5 to 10 minutes, not much, because otherwise it will make your hair dry. Okay, so another query which is coming up is like anger. Yeah. Okay, Ratna, you do get angry sometimes. I understand. See, that's what I told you just now. You have to maintain your anger thing. If at that particular moment you maintain your anger issues, you are sorted. हम क्या करते हैं, हम वो एंगर को पाइल अप करते रहते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के लिए, हमारे मन में नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते ही जाते हैं विच एक्चुअली क्रिएट्स मोर नेगेटिविटी इनसाइड अस एंड दैट्स हाउ आवर एंगर कीप्स ऑन बिल्डिंग. सो आई डोंट वांट यू टू डू दैट. आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट ये करना है कि आपको अपना गुस्सा शांत रखना है. आप उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे उस जगह से चले जाइए थोड़ी देर के लिए एंड यू विल फील बेटर. एटलीस्ट मेंटली यू विल बी पेप्ड अप कि आप 10-15 मिनट के बाद में आपके जो गुस्से का एपिसोड था वो काफी कम हो जाएगा. जो इंटेंसिटी होती है ना रत्ना, उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए हमारे को मेंटेन करनी है. उसके बाद में डेफिनेटली थिंग्स सॉर्ट आउट, चाहे वो आपके किसी पार्टनर से हो, चाहे आपके कलीग से हो, चाहे आपके बच्चों से हो, किसी के साथ भी हो. बट उस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पे अगर आप रिएक्शन शो करते हो, इट हार्म्स यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. Like many of you who have a lot of anger issues, generally I have seen they have blood pressure issues, they have cardiac issues. Why? Because automatically आपका जो blood circulation होता है वो खराब होने लगता है because of so much of negativity around. So always prefer to keep yourself fit, fine and healthy with a simple living. हम लोग बोलते हैं सिंपल लिविंग एंड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल, तो वो तभी होगा जब आप सारी चीजों पे काम करोगे, आपके माइंड, बॉडी एंड सोल तीनों पे काम करोगे. See, Bajaj Allianz have already mentioned so many yoga therapists are also there. So meditation techniques, yoga techniques, they can teach you in a better way. So I would only suggest please try doing that and keep yourself fit and healthy. Yeah, if in case you want to lose weight fast, there is no special trick for that. As I told you, shortcuts never work. So always prefer yourself that you have to be consistent in whatever efforts you are putting. Let it be in relation with your diet, exercise or mental makeup. You have to be consistent with everything. अगर आप consistent नहीं रहोगे, automatically you won't be able to lose weight. आपने काफी लोगों को सुना होगा कि हमने 10 kg lose किया, उसके बाद में हमारा lose ही नहीं हो रहा है. So don't do that. इट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट प्लेट्यू स्टेज कम्स जब आपका थॉट प्रोसेस स्टक हो जाता है, जब आपका खाने पीने का स्केड्यूल सब कुछ हे वाई होने लगता है. बिकॉज हमारी एक टेंडेंसी होती है कि हम जनरली गिव अप कर देते हैं आफ्टर अ वाइल. लाइक वी आर वेरी एंथुजियास्टिक व्हेन वी स्टार्ट एनी फिटनेस प्लान. इनिशियली 5 दिन, 15 दिन, 1 महीना, 2 महीना वी विल बी वेरी एंथुजियास्टिक बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग रिजल्ट्स ऑल्सो, एंड उसके बाद में एवरीथिंग गोज ऑफ. सो डोंट डू दैट. That's what I'm telling you. Be consistent with your fitness regime. And it works upon all the 3 parameters of your life, that is your mind, body and soul. Okay, if any other queries, please put up in the comment section so that I can answer you. Okay, so Asmita has one question, that is how to maintain kids in this lockdown scenario. Asmita, you have to dig upon what are the opportunities for kids. You have to think about that you should keep your kids busy. Because see, if your kids won't be busy, they would definitely hamper your lifestyle too. So it's always better to support your kids, keep them engaged in so many activities which are going around you. As of now in the lockdown phase, many of you have started so many classes. So please keep them busy in all those classes so that you are healthy and happy. Yeah, sometimes kids also do throw tantrums. For that, you have to plan out yourself and you have to make your mental makeup that how to react and respond at that particular moment. As I told you, the break technique works in that case also. Please give them some space, give them some time to understand where they were wrong and where you were wrong. So automatically you will come to a conclusion who is wrong and who is right. Okay, so Anu has asked me a question about cramps in the feet. Yes, Anu, if you're getting cramps in the feet, then definitely your nervous system is getting affected. I would suggest try drinking more water and try using vitamin E capsules, which are very helpful in reducing the cramps. Okay. Next comes to, okay, I have one question from Mr. Ankur. So Ankur has asked me, like, how to maintain a healthy lifestyle if in case in this lockdown period we are awake whole night. See, Ankur, that's what I'm telling you, that you have to be consistent in this lockdown phase. Also consider it as lockdown for your own benefit. I always call it as golden period where actually I can enjoy time with my family and I can live a good life, because work from home is something like which keeps you away from all that traffic chaos, all that office chaos. It's better to sit at home and do your work. So it's always preferable to maintain a posture. That is first thing which works a lot when you're working from home. Second thing is eat on time. That is much more important. And please consider exercise, because I don't want कि आप सब लोग एक ही जगह पे बैठे रहो. आज in this scenario, lockdown scenario, generally people say कि हमें walking के लिए allowed नहीं है, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But there are so many online sessions. Try them ना. See, all these excuses are like कि जब हम कोई excuse बनाते हैं हम उस excuse को carry on करते रहते हैं. So I don't want you to carry on that excuse. Always save it for a better day. जब आपको actually लगे कि मुझे excuse करना है. On a regular basis, please maintain your healthy lifestyle. Be consistent in your workout and do eat, sleep and exercise every day. Okay? So to end the session, I would actually say, believe in yourself. Life is good always. It's just that we need to work upon our perspective. अपना नजरिया बदल के देखिए, आपका माइंडसेट अपने आप चेंज हो जाएगा. Thank you.